Welcome to the introduction of our journey into the digital traces we leave behind. The internet, a vast network connecting billions, has revolutionized our lives, yet it also creates a treasure trove of information about us. Every click, every post, every interaction leaves a trace. This is where open source intelligence, or OSINT, comes in. OSINT is the art of finding information about people, businesses, or events using publicly available sources. It's like a detective's toolkit for the digital age. Imagine this. You meet someone new, and something about their story doesn't quite add up. Maybe they claim to have worked at a certain company, but you're not convinced. OSINT provides the means to verify their claims. You can search for their name on LinkedIn, cross-reference their employment history, or even look for mentions of their work in online publications. The beauty of OSINT lies in its accessibility. Unlike traditional intelligence gathering, which often relies on classified information, OSINT utilizes information readily available to anyone. This means you don't need to be a secret agent or a tech whiz to leverage its power. With the right tools and techniques, anyone can become an amateur sleuth. However, this power comes with responsibility. While OSINT can be used for good, it's crucial to be aware of its ethical implications. Unethical use can lead to privacy violations, reputational damage, or even harassment. It's important to remember that behind every piece of information is a real person with a life and a story. When it comes to OSINT, Google is your best friend. It's not just a search engine, it's a gateway to a universe of information. Mastering Google search operators can significantly enhance your OSINT capabilities. For instance, you can use quotation marks to search for exact phrases, the minus sign to exclude specific terms, or the cite operator to limit your search to a particular website. Let's say you're trying to find someone's email address. You know their name and the company they work for. You can use a combination of search operators like this: John Smith email site-companywebsite.com. This will give you results from the company website that mention John Smith and the word email, increasing your chances of finding his email address. Another powerful tool within Google is Google Images. By uploading a picture of someone, you can find other websites where that image appears. This can be helpful in identifying someone's social media profiles or tracking down their online activity. However, it's essential to use Google Images responsibly and avoid using it for stalking or harassment. Google is constantly evolving, adding new features and functionalities. Staying updated with these changes can give you an edge in your OSINT investigations. Remember, the more you explore and experiment with Google's tools, the more proficient you'll become in harnessing its power for OSINT. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe to Hacker's Den for more tutorials. Social media platforms have become integral parts of our lives, and with that comes a wealth of personal information readily available for OSINT investigations. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn are treasure troves of data. People willingly share their thoughts, photos, locations, and connections, often with little regard for privacy settings. Imagine you're trying to locate a missing person. Social media can be invaluable. By searching their name on different platforms, you can find their friends, family members, and recent activity. You can glean insights into their interests, routines, and even their current whereabouts. This information can be crucial in piecing together their movements and potentially locating them. However, social media OSINT comes with its own set of challenges. Privacy settings can obscure information, fake profiles can mislead investigators, and the sheer volume of data can be overwhelming. It's important to develop a systematic approach, use filters and search tools effectively, and be discerning about the information you gather. Moreover, it's crucial to remember the ethical considerations. While social media is a public platform, accessing someone's information without their consent can be a breach of privacy. It's essential to draw a line between legitimate investigation and intrusive snooping. Beyond social media and search engines, a vast universe of public records and databases can be invaluable for OSINT investigations. These repositories contain a wealth of information, from court records and property deeds to voter registration rolls and business licenses. Accessing these records can provide critical insights into individuals, businesses, and events. Let's say you're investigating a potential business partner. Public records can help you verify their legitimacy. You can access their business registration documents, check for any history of legal disputes, and even review their financial records if they're a publicly traded company. This due diligence can protect you from fraudulent schemes and ensure you're entering into a trustworthy partnership. The challenge with public records lies in knowing where to look and how to navigate the often complex systems. Many government agencies and organizations have their own databases and search interfaces requiring patience and persistence to master. Fortunately, numerous online resources provide guidance on accessing and utilizing public records effectively. It's crucial to remember that while these records are public, they should be used responsibly. Avoid using information from public records for harassment, discrimination, or any other unethical purpose. Remember, OSINT is about uncovering truth, not exploiting vulnerabilities. Section 5. People search engines and specialized tools, refining your search. While general search engines like Google are powerful, specialized people search engines and OSINT tools can significantly refine your search for information about individuals. These platforms aggregate data from various sources, including public records, social media profiles, and online activity, providing a comprehensive view of a person's digital footprint. Imagine you're trying to locate a long-lost friend. People search engines can be incredibly helpful. By entering their name and any additional information you have, such as their previous city or school, these platforms can generate a list of potential matches, complete with contact details, social media links, and even relatives' information. However, it's important to remember that the accuracy and completeness of information on these platforms can vary. Data may be outdated, incomplete, or even inaccurate. It's crucial to cross-reference information from multiple sources, verify the legitimacy of the platform, and be critical of the results. Moreover, ethical considerations remain paramount. Using these tools to stalk, harass, or intimidate individuals is unacceptable. Remember, OSINT is about gaining insights, not invading privacy. Always use these tools responsibly and ethically. Section 6. Image and Video Analysis. Unmasking Identities. In the age of ubiquitous cameras and social media sharing, images and videos have become valuable sources of information for OSINT investigations. Analyzing visual content can reveal hidden details, identify individuals, and even uncover locations and events. Tools and techniques for image and video analysis are constantly evolving, offering new possibilities for OSINT practitioners. Imagine you come across a photo of a suspicious individual online. Using image analysis tools, you can potentially identify their location by analyzing landmarks or background details. You can also search for similar images online to find other instances where this individual appears, potentially uncovering their social media profiles or online activity. However, image and video analysis requires caution and critical thinking. Images can be manipulated, contexts can be misleading, and facial recognition technology raises significant privacy concerns. It's crucial to verify the authenticity of images, consider the source and context, and avoid drawing conclusions based solely on visual evidence. Moreover, ethical considerations are paramount. Using image analysis to stalk, harass, or identify individuals without their consent is unethical and potentially illegal. It's crucial to use these tools responsibly, respecting privacy and avoiding harmful applications. Section 7. Advanced Techniques, Delving Deeper into the Web. Beyond the basic tools and techniques, the world of OSINT offers advanced methods for those seeking to delve deeper into the web's hidden corners. These techniques often require technical expertise and familiarity with specialized tools, but they can uncover information not readily accessible through conventional means. For instance, website analysis can reveal valuable insights. By examining a website's source code, you can uncover hidden links, metadata, and even the IP address of the server hosting the site. This information can be helpful in identifying the owner of a website, tracing its origins, or even uncovering connections to other websites or individuals. Another advanced technique involves utilizing the dark web. While often associated with illicit activities, the dark web can also be a source of valuable information for OSINT investigations. Specialized tools allow access to dark web forums and marketplaces, potentially uncovering hidden communications, leaked data, or even evidence of criminal activity. However, navigating the dark web requires extreme caution. Anonymity is paramount, and engaging with illicit activities can have serious legal consequences. It's crucial to use appropriate security measures, avoid engaging with illegal content, and prioritize personal safety. Section 8. The ethical landscape of OSINT, respecting boundaries. As with any powerful tool, OSINT comes with inherent ethical considerations. While the information gathered is publicly available, it's crucial to use it responsibly and respect the privacy of individuals. Crossing ethical boundaries can have serious consequences, including legal repercussions, reputational damage, and emotional distress for those targeted. It's essential to establish clear ethical guidelines for your OSINT activities. Avoid using information for harassment, stalking, or any form of malicious intent. Respect privacy settings on social media platforms and refrain from accessing information that's clearly intended to be private. Moreover, transparency and accountability are crucial. Be transparent about your OSINT activities, especially when dealing with individuals or organizations. Clearly state your intentions, explain the methods you're using, and obtain consent whenever possible. Accountability involves taking responsibility for your actions and being prepared to face consequences for any ethical breaches. Remember, OSINT is a powerful tool for uncovering truth, but it should never be used to exploit vulnerabilities or invade privacy. Ethical considerations should guide every step of your OSINT investigations, ensuring that your pursuit of knowledge doesn't come at the expense of others' well-being. Section 9. Real-world applications of OSINT. OSINT's applications extend far beyond amateur sleuthing. It's a valuable tool in various fields, including law enforcement, cybersecurity, journalism, business intelligence, and even humanitarian aid. Its ability to uncover hidden connections and reveal insights from public data has made it an indispensable resource in numerous real-world scenarios. In law enforcement, OSINT can be used to track down suspects, identify criminal networks, and gather evidence for investigations. For instance, analyzing social media posts can reveal a suspect's whereabouts, connections to other individuals involved in criminal activity, or even their intentions. In cybersecurity, OSINT plays a crucial role in identifying vulnerabilities, assessing threats, and preventing attacks. By monitoring online forums, dark web marketplaces, and social media, security professionals can gather intelligence about potential threats, identify emerging attack vectors, and take proactive measures to protect their systems. Journalists utilize OSINT to verify information, uncover sources, and investigate complex stories. By analyzing social media trends, tracking online conversations, and accessing public records, journalists can gain a deeper understanding of events, identify key players, and provide accurate and insightful reporting. Businesses leverage OSINT for competitive intelligence, market research, and due diligence. By monitoring competitors' online activities, analyzing customer sentiment on social media, and researching potential business partners, companies can gain a competitive edge, make informed decisions, and mitigate risks. Humanitarian organizations utilize OSINT to assess needs, locate individuals in need of assistance, and coordinate relief efforts. During natural disasters or humanitarian crises, analyzing social media posts, satellite imagery, and public data can help organizations identify affected areas, assess the scale of the disaster, and direct aid to those who need it most. Section 10. Conclusion. Mastering OSINT for good. The internet has become an intricate tapestry of information, and OSINT provides the tools to unravel its secrets. By mastering the art of finding anyone online, we empower ourselves with knowledge, insight, and the ability to connect the dots in a world awash with data. However, this power comes with responsibility. As you embark on your OSINT journey, remember to use your newfound skills ethically and responsibly. Respect privacy, avoid causing harm, and strive to use your knowledge for good. Whether you're investigating a suspicious individual, researching a business opportunity, or simply trying to reconnect with an old friend, let ethics guide your every step. The world of OSINT is constantly evolving with new tools, techniques, and challenges emerging every day. Embrace the learning process, stay curious, and never stop exploring the vast landscape of information available at your fingertips. Remember, the true power of OSINT lies not only in finding information but also in using it wisely and ethically to make the world a better place.